Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a portfolio on Wakelet. First, navigate to wakelet.com and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you'll see a prominent green button labeled Create a New Collection. Click this to begin your portfolio. Next, give your collection a clear title, perhaps your name and portfolio, and then personalize it with a cover image and a background image to make it visually appealing. Now it's time to add your work. Wakelet allows you to include many content types. You can paste links to websites, articles, or YouTube videos. You can also upload files directly from your computer, such as images, PDF, or Word documents. Think about the best way to showcase your achievements. Aim for at least 5 to 10 diverse pieces of content to give a comprehensive overview of your skills and projects. Once your content is in, organize it for maximum impact. Use the drag and drop feature to reorder items. Experiment with different layouts like media view or compact view to find what works best. Add a brief, descriptive text to each item, explaining its significance. For larger portfolios, consider using sections to group similar projects, making it easy for viewers to navigate through your work. Finally, it's time to share your completed portfolio with the world. Ensure your collection is set to public so others can view it. You can easily share the unique Wakelet link via email, social media, or even embed it directly onto your personal website or blog. Remember to update your portfolio regularly, perhaps every 3 to 6 months, to reflect your latest accomplishments and keep it current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.